Hi, welcome. Let's continue with our story. So we've analyzed that the package list of the ArcoLinux ISO 2020-11 is different with Carli 3. In December, ArcoLinux decided to put this one on their ISO, and in January 2020 they decided to put it out of it again. So the rule is we follow ArcoLinux. So basically, for this one package, we need to create a Carli 4. Now we go to the website, so to github.com, in my case, ArcoLinux ISO. You can use these GitHubs as well. It's super easy. You'll see after a few videos. So I want to have a control and Carli -4, and I do Control C, new, Control V. Of course, 3 exists, but 4 is the one I want. So I'm going to create that repository. Copy paste this by clicking here. And then I'm going to create a new one. So either I open Actions, Open Terminal here, or I use Open Terminal there. Anyway, I need to git clone an empty GitHub. It's empty, right? And it says so. You have cloned an empty repository, but it won't stay empty long, my friends. So I'm starting with this, right? Not Control H, never Control H. You don't want to have this git with you. So Control H is off, Control A, Control C, and then you navigate to Carli 4 and Control V. So basically we have 2 Carli 3s at this point in time, but you remember there is one package that needs to go out. Control Find had to do something with atomic, and here we have libatomic opposite. This guy is out again. Delete, delete, save. And this is the same package list. What we now have here is exact same package list as the one from ArcoLinux. It will vary over the future. We'll add more things to Carli, but it will be down there. It will be at the bottom. Well, not at the bottom, not in this package, unfortunately. Will become more difficult to compare. Anyway, this is what's supposed to be Carli 4. So let's push this to the net, right? So you go inside, you don't need this anymore. You go inside Carli 4, open a terminal, and it says here, it's this one, git version 2. That's all you need to know. Of course, you have to set it up at some point. So the first time after clean installation, you need to do it just once, one setup, and then you can just keep on going with git. So basically this is the Carli 3 with one change, right? So libatomic is out. ArcoLinux 2020-11 comparison. That's what we've done. Nothing more, nothing less. Let me log in to the system and everything will be put on the internet. So let's have a look. Refresh. Libatomic is out, and all the same text after changing this one file. Libatomic is not present in this one. Nothing available, right? Only in the text up here. That's it. So that's one thing we've done. And of course we can start building it again, but maybe you've seen already in the first video, the first text, the first here, the first article, you've seen that the out ISO, the name of the ISO, is actually called ArcoLinux. So it's about time we've changed that, and then we're gonna change our output inside this article. Let us make sure all ArcoLinux references are changed into ArcoLinux. All right, that's next up.